Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is meant to guide you on how you can register a new member in Yupi Global. In Yupi Global, it's made that any account can do registration of a new member, any account, be it small or the biggest account. Now, before I proceed, please do well to give us one like if you like what we are doing, and as well subscribe to our channel so that you can always get info from UP. Thank you. Now, for you to register a new member, first thing first, the new person, the package with which the person is coming into UP, there is a certain amount of money that determines the package. The person must have transferred the money into this place. The money, you are to ensure that the money has been converted and is domiciled in this UP wallet. That is the first thing. And the second thing, you give the person a simple survey form for the person to submit his or her details to you, maybe via WhatsApp or any channel. The form should contain the person's username, the person's full name, email address, phone number, and bank account details. Okay, now when you have all these things at hand and the money is already here, do well to go to menu, go to registration. Once you click on registration, you will see new registration. Click on new registration for you to have the form. Now this form is the first stage of registration. This form is the first stage. The stages are in 4. The first stage, which we are on, the second one, which is the filling of the person's biodata, the third one, selecting the person's product, the person's choice of product. So now we'll go through it one after the other. You can see here is where you enter the sponsor of the person, because we have two similar username to be entered here. One is the sponsor, second is the placement. Of course, the sponsor sometimes might not be placement. Okay, then move straight, because the binary destination can be, or the binary position can be chosen by the system. Move straight to the selection of package. Select whether is UP, Elite, or Success, as the case may be, depending on how much the person. I hope you must have consulted the packages before this time. Choose the package and hit next. This page will come up. Now, from the form, from the details the person submitted to you, go ahead and fill the person's username, the person's name, the gender, select the gender, if it is a male or a female, put his phone number, put his address. You don't need to begin to write the street address. If the person is in Port Harcourt, just put Port Harcourt, the country, the city, the region or state, put all of these, then fill in the bank account details. Please, when you're filling all these things, if the person submitted his or her biodata, copy and paste to avoid errors, most especially in the area of bank account details, email address, and phone number, because all these things are much difficult to troubleshoot if you make mistake. Then finally, select mentor, then password. You can use a particular constant digits, maybe 000 into 6, so that the person can later do change of password. to something that can be that will not be easy to forget, something he or she can easily remember. You understand? Then the person can as well create a new passcode. All these, so many people after registering, they just continue. It's not usually good. After registration, remind the person to change his or her password and equally create his or her passcode. Okay, then you click next, taking us to the third stage. Now you can see the third stage, and we chose elite. First thing you need, pay attention here. You must select product that the PV is greater than or equal to 30, or equal to 30. Now, let's assume the person needed C bottom 1. You go here, you can see this place. Go there and click view. Once you click view, then go down. Don't do anything, just go down. See bottom, can you see it? How many quantity? If it is 2 or 3, you put it. If it is 1, you type 1 there and click add to cart. Go down and see it. I want you to see it. Can you see? Are you seeing it? It has added. You can see it. See bottom, and you can see this. You can see that it has added 25,000 naira total PV, 10 PV. Okay, but remember the system told you. It said something here. PV must be greater or equal to 30. That is very, very important. Now, being able to select one, which is 10 PV, we need more 20 PV. Now, let's assume we want Alka Plus. You go and click on Alka Plus. Click View. Go down. Perhaps Alka Plus is 2. Change it to 2. 2 pieces. Add to cart. This particular third stage will not come out when you are doing a UP account. Now you can see our PV after adding it to cart. You can see that we now have 30 and 75. Do you see 75,000 naira? Go ahead and click next page. This is the payment stage. Okay. Now all you need to do is to tick the agreement here. Tick this agreement and then enter your own passcode. Passcode is a payment PIN that you create after you have, like now, when you have finished this registration and you relinquish the username and the password to the new member, you advise the new member is meant to change his or her password, go to her profile, change the password, and equally create a new PIN. You understand? That is a very simple process. Okay. Once you, who is doing the registration, puts your own passcode here, the work has finished. Just click complete registration and the registration will be registered. Very clean and clear. Nothing less, nothing more. Please, if you like what we are doing, do well to give us one like. Thank you very much and have a wonderful experience with Yupi Global. Our company is unique. Thank you very much and God bless you.